Jason Taglay here, showing you how to use the Monster Forearm Bar at the fitness center. So this is really great for building your forearm and wrist strength, and also builds your grip. So the first thing you need to look at, I'm going to stand on the stool so you can see better, is that I already attached the weight to it, but the angle of this part where the weight attaches to, it should always be angled downward. The easiest way to remember that is that you always start in the down position, so you want that angle down. So this forearm bar does three things. You can do forearm extension, flexion, and then working your brachioradialis, which is this thumb up. So first I'm starting with, let's start with forearm extension. So I have my overhand grip, and now the bar is angled downward just like my wrist. So I'm curling it up like this through the wrist, extending, and then releasing it down. But also for the brachioradialis, you can grab out here. So you always want this part of the bar to be facing you. So I'm doing the same wrist motion, except now my thumbs are facing up. So what I'm also going to do is pull this pin out and then spin it around so that now the handles are angled upward. And then this is how you hit forearm flexion. So now my palms are facing out and then curl upward. So good diversity for building forearm and wrist strength. Those forearm rollers that you remember maybe from your high school weight room aren't as good because you have to keep your shoulders out here. And this is a good way to work the positive and negative part of the motion with you don't need much weight because it's levered out in front. So check that out, build awesome grip strength.